Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof. Enid is a Felis domestica.
Felis who?
A common domestic cat. And her body is a complex network of physiological systems.
Physio-whatical?
There must be a better way to explain all this, Dougie. Time to set the microscopic ray to...
I'm the captain of the boat, and I really like to float on the water, out on the water. So put on your sailing vest, grab a life vest, and take a ride on a boat with me. We'll take an ocean liner, it's really large. And with a tugboat, we'll tow a barge. A sailboat is moving when the wind is blowing. But if it isn't, we better start rowing. Just for a laugh, we can take a rubber raft, but we'll get there sooner if we're sailing in a schooner, yeah. Looky there. It's called a tall ship because it's tall. And there's a dinghy, it's kinda small. It's small. A super tanker delivers oil. Wow. And a steamship is powered by boiling water. Wonders can be seen sitting in a submarine. If it's just me and you, we can take a canoe. Yeah. Where's my paddle? I'm the captain of the boat, and I really like to float on the water, out on the water. So put on your sailing pants and do your sailing dance. Take a ride on a boat with me. Let's go. Go sailing on a boat with me. Get on board. Boats are fun, you'll see.
Captain! Those blinky thingies are getting closer!
For the love of Poseidon, Storybots! They're almost here!
Who's almost here?
The bad bacteria! There's only one thing that can save us now, Storybots! The good microorganisms!
Oh, hello, Captain.
And look what she's got with her. Storybots, how are you?
We're better now.
Yeah, thanks for, saving us and stuff.
No problem at all, Bang. It's our pleasure.
And our job.
Your job?
What do you mean it's your job?
Well, the bad bacteria, they're too small to get skimmed out of the water by machines.
So we gobble them up.
Oh, yes, lots and lots of them. We get so big, we sink to the bottom.
To the bottom? That doesn't sound very good.
Oh, it's all right, Bing. It's really kind of cozy down here.
Quite close indeed. Plus, when we sink, the cleaner water moves on.
Sardines in a can, they're back!
Captain, it's kinda like keeping us from entering too, dude.
Aye! That's why a good captain always comes prepared!
Her heart starts beating faster.
Hey, look, guys! Oh, there's a hole in the screen up ahead!
Yo-ho! Through the hole we go!
Captain, it's kinda like keeping us from entering too, dude.
Aye! That's why a good captain always comes
Kinda like
prepared!
keeping us from entering too, dude.
Tis the
Aye!
separation
That's
test
why a good captain always comes
where the
prepared!
water is given time to settle. Heavy stuff sinks to the bottom. Grease and oil.
There's a hole in the screen up ahead!
Yo-ho! Through
Look, guys! We go! There's a hole in the screen up ahead!
Yo-ho! Through the hole we go!
This is fun!
Whoa.
But we still don't
now,
know what's
Captain?
wrong with Enid.
Tis the separation
Good
test.
point, Abby. Although we
Where the
might
water is
now,
given time to
Captain,
settle.
Enid
Tis the
Heavy stuff sinks to the bottom!
What happened?
It's where the water is
Well,
given
Nori,
time to
this is
settle.
where Enid stores
Heavy
all
stuff
the
sinks to the
tank
bottom.
for obstacle number 2. Oil.
Well, Nori, this is where Enid stores
This
all
prepares
the
the tank
food.
for obstacle number
Machines are we
2.
talking about here?
Well, Nori, this is where,
across the water
this
to
is where,
what kind of machines are we talking about
this is where
here?
Enid stores
Skimmers.
all...
Sweep across the water to remove grease and oil. Like clothes! Reptile storybots! Reptile storybots! Quiet!
Cats have powerful eyesight for hunting prey, and nasal receptors for smelling things, and of course, vocal cords for purring. Cats have powerful eyesight for hunting prey, and nasal receptors for smelling things, and of course, vocal cords for purring. Cats have powerful eyesight for hunting prey, and nasal receptors for smelling things, and of course...
And there are even
vocal
more of
cords
them than
for
before,
purring.
man!
Quick! What are you waiting for? Gobble them up! Oh, I hate to say it, old chap, but I'm feeling rather full.
Yes. I couldn't eat another bite. Excuse me.
There's only one way out now, Storybots. The last obstacle. The light!
What happens in the light, Captain?
Disinfection.
Down here.
Enid's eyes.
Wait, what's disinfection?
It's where bleach and ultraviolet rays are used to destroy anything that's left in the water!
But, Captain, where in the water?
We got no choice, Bean!
Hey, look! The bleach and ultraviolet rays are destroying the waste and bad bacteria!
They're also like totally destroying the ship, dude!
Just a few more seconds before she blows, Storybots!
Yeah, all right.
My word, I can't believe me own eye. It's
The great blue ocean!
Man, that's pretty.
Thank you, Storybots, for being the crew this captain never knew she needed.
And thank you, Captain, for helping us answer Joaquin's question!
Oh, it's me pleasure. But I must be running now. Bathy time's a waiting.